truth is the same. Truth is always the truth. Liars, they don't have the same storyline. Trust me. Hi, you're welcome to another episode with me. So, in this video, we'll be discussing about how to know when your partner is lying. So, let's get this video started. Let me give you a backstory. Why am I filming this? Because I recently let's say it's called up a client, not even a relationship, because of things like this. And I feel it's worth sharing. If you are in a relationship, these are things you should check out for. Number one is excessive details. When they are providing too much excessive details in a way to just glamorize things, when people see, just check it. Look at people that lie. They like to fabricate things to make what they are saying believable, to make it sound interesting. When you're hearing it, you're saying, oh wow, really? I own this kind of apartment, I live in this, my father owns this, and things in that like. So they ensure that they give excessive details to make sure that what they are talking about sounds believable and the stories sound sweet and interesting in the ear. Trust me. Read in between the lines. That person might be lying. Number two is inconsistent stories. This is a very good this is one of the good ways to get someone that is lying. Ask them that same question, except maybe the experts. There are some people that are experts in this, right? That even a lie detector can't even detect when they are lying, except those A-class people. But do this. Ask them the same question in a different manner, at different phase, like in a different environment. If their story is changing upon retelling, it can show that there is a form of deception in it, because the truth is the same. Truth is always the truth. Liars, they don't have the same storyline. Trust me, they don't have the same storyline. So when you see that there's inconsistency with what they are telling you, and they're telling you today, they're telling you this, when they're repeating that same thing they told you 2 months time, is a different ball game entirely. Avoid those set of people. Just know that the person is lying. Next is unanswered questions. When you're asking them question and they are sort of deflecting the question, or trying to twist the question, or push it aside to answer something else, trust me, they are lying. For example, you're asking them that, okay, what did you do about this? And person say, okay, have you gotten that bottle water? Have you gotten that food stuff you wanted to buy? No, why are you not answering that question I'm asking you? Most likely that person is lying. Why is the person trying to avoid that question? Do you understand? Maybe he's trying to buy time, something that like. The last note I'll leave here is that trust your gut, right? If you've sat down and you've seen multiple scenarios of indication that is showing that this person is lying, and you've sort of tried confronting the person to clarify some of those notions in your head, and the feedback is even more lies, please, it's a good time to just call off that relationship, call off that business partnership, call off anything you're doing with that person. Just ensure that whenever the person is telling you anything, it comes in here and it goes out that way. They are not to be trusted. They are not to be called your friend. They are not to even be close to you. Talk more of you dating such kind of person. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to enroll for the 3-month friend course, please do well to use the link in the description box. And you'll also see other links to shop for other things that would be valuable to you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.